Bill,
Dad?
Brills, I'm breaking up with you.
Okay, do it again. June, I have to tell you something, but lately you've been changing. There's something about you, you know. You change a lot now. When I'm around you, you don't even kiss me or something. You don't hold my hand when I'm crossing the street. Who do you think I'm gonna hold? Lennon.
I'm gonna go out there. I'm gonna meet you. Let's go.
I mean June. I need to tell you. I need to tell you something. You changed. I hate that. From day one, you told me that you're gonna be with me forever. And now you're changing like this, all of a sudden? I'm breaking up with you, bitch.
Dirty Ann, Dirty Ann, I have something to tell you. You think you're going to break up with me? I have to explain to you first. Sit down.
I am sitting down, bitch.
From day one, I told you I would love you forever.
Stop it! You're spitting in my face, asshole!
I'm not been changing, okay?
Then what is it?
I see you. I have the same smile at you. I look you in the eyes. I have the same feelings for you. I don't have anything to do to you. It's not different. I don't know why you keep telling me I'm different.
June!
I'm not different.
June, sit down. The kids are gonna cry.
The kids? This is not my kids, I bet. Who the hell is that Lennon you're talking about? Huh? 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 You're going to break up with me? You're thinking me I'm changing? I'm not changing. I'm not changing. I'm not changing. I'm telling you, you're just getting used to other good things I do for you.
I'm tired. I'm tired of your goodies and treats.
I bring you palabok every day from work. I bring you palabok.
I'm tired of that. Maybe sometime I want some variety. Some itlogs.
You know we can't afford itlogs.
June.
You don't appreciate anything I do for you. Everything I do, I say something to you, tell me I'm changing. Everything, I lay down at my beneg at night, you don't even hold me anymore.
You don't cuddle with me. It
I don't
gets
want
too
to
cold.
You smell! You haven't taken a shower in 3 weeks.
June, you don't have to embarrass me like that.
I'm sorry, it's
You
just
know that the water's too expensive, so you want me to clean?
I want you to saing, cook rice, and take a shower at the same time.
I can't do that at once, you bitch. You know other guys that have big bayag and you have small? Still?
Don't talk about that. I told you it's natural.
Ever since you're 7 years old, they don't even grow.
I have health effects, okay? It's just-
The peck.
How about you, huh?
What?
What the hell? I get lost in there every time. You think that's clean? You think that's clean? That's not clean.
That is not.
You know,
Sometimes.
before I just make you feel good, I hold my breath all the time and I throw up in the bathroom every time. You just don't see me.
I hate you.
I hate you too.
June,
What is it?
get out of my house right now.
No, this is my house. This is my... You have nothing else to do with me. I mean, I try every day. You are...
June, enough. I love you.
You don't tell me you love me only now, just because you want...
I'm just so hungry. I need some itlog in my life. Not your bayag, but some itlog. I need some variety, not palabok.
You know, This house that we live in today, Lola gave it to me. Lola gave me this house. You don't appreciate this.
I do not depreciate.
This is to differentiate from you. Lola gave me this house. I am not going to leave it. This is leaving.
Then I'm leaving.
Don't leave with me.
I'm going to Leonard. Oh, you see that? You see that? Now what? You're going to explode in my face? With your pawis? You never wipe your pawis? You've never been po?
Who the fuck is Leonard, huh?
I saw your laway.
Just because I'm not to Leonard, that means that you can go to Leonard? That doesn't mean anything. You never give me a truck job before.
What is trunk jobs?
You tell me I have an elephant trunk.
I want mushroom.
We need mushroom in our soup tonight.
I need mushroom in my soup.
Soup. Sopas.
I need sopas.
Sopas, that's the one. That's the one. That's the one.